Hi, it's AptDeco. Mind if we come in?
Yeah, come on in. Welcome to Washington Heights. I have about 11 AptDeco pieces in here. This is one of the first things I bought on AptDeco. I am a big fan of Mad Men, so I wanted something very mid-century, and it doesn't take up too much space. This actually is the first piece I ever bought on AptDeco. It was kind of a test. After buying the small purchase, we went in for this couch. We were finding a lot of couches were in back order around COVID time, and we saw this. We thought, what a sustainable choice. It looked in great shape, and it has not let us down. This is one of my favorite places to sit. I come here every Saturday and Sunday, and I either grab a journal or a book from off of there. I like to kind of let the light in, but it's a great place to kind of relax and post up for the weekend, and you kind of feel a little separated from the living room, so it's a nice to, kind of make the room bigger and have separate parts. Should we see more?
Let's do it.
Okay. This is the salon. I think this is our favorite room. This was the first purchase for this room that we made, and they came in a set. It was a great deal, and they are essentially feel brand new to us. I also got this table from AptDeco to match. We also got this piece of art from AptDeco. And I think what I love about it is how big it is, and that's, we have a lot of wall space to fill here, and it's not always easy to find large pieces. And it is paired with, I think maybe this is the last piece I got from AptDeco. We were looking for a bar cart that was really unique, and this also, folds up, it can close. I was looking for a dining room table, one that came with chairs, because once you start buying a table that doesn't, it can get awful expensive. So I love that this came with everything. There is more to see.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I love to play the piano. I recently started teaching myself probably 6-7 months ago. And now it's just like a great break in the day, or just a great way to kind of be creative. And being in that room with all of the things and the bright lights of the day coming in, it's a really great space to do that. This is our bedroom, probably where we spend the least amount of time unless we're sleeping, but this bed we bought from AptDeco. We really wanted something that was low to the ground because we have a dog that can't jump up high.
Do you have any tips for shopping for vintage on AptDeco?
Communicate with the sellers. They're really easy to talk to and can tell you a lot about the furniture itself and the history of it, so I found that really fascinating.
Okay, rapid fire time. Vintage or new?
Vintage.
Scandinavian or bohemian?
Both.
Maximalism or minimalism?
Both.
Rustic or industrial?
Rustic.
Awesome. And what advice would you give to someone looking to redo their space on a budget?
Shop around, find things you like, and then search for things like those things, and look at secondhand. It's a really sustainable way to build your apartment, but it's also, there's some really great items that hold up over the years and have a lot of history to them that can add good character to your spot. So that's what I would say.
That's a great advice. Awesome. Thank you so much, Malorie, for letting us into your world.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Bye.
Bye.